Thank you so much for your purchase. Your order has been successfully processed, and here is how to access your products. If you made a purchase with us before, simply log in with your purchasing email and password, and your courses will be waiting for you in the My Account dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, you can create a new one using the password reset link. Now, if this is your first purchase with us, you'll need to create a password in order to access your courses. A link to create your password has been sent to your email. Simply click on the link and choose a secure password. Then you'll be able to log in and access your courses. If you do not see this email, please check for it in your spam folder, and if it's there, please mark it as not spam to ensure you'll receive future messages. And if you still do not see the email, please use the link below to request another one. And of course, if you have any issues, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@mydrawingtutorials.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.